reservation number.
Okay, I just need your ID and credit card.
ID and credit card. I don't remember which one.
Okay,
Maybe.
we just gotta put
Okay,
something on.
thank you. Yes.
It's kind of hard to see, right? It's so good. Okay, so back here's information about Vancouver. Hotel information in the front here. You're in 108, you're in bed D.
Okay.
Leave it to check out time on Wednesday, the 12th of October. On that day, please bring down the 2 white bed sheets, pillowcase only. Placement of slots inside front desk. 8 till 10 is free breakfast in the bar. 9:30 to 10 is takeout only. There's no outside guests upstairs. No smoking. Free activities on the big board there. Wi-Fi is free. We're here 24 hours with a bar on site too.
Okay.
That's your key. Whenever you're ready, you're going to go through that door
Is there an elevator?
We don't have one because we're heritage city for business from having one.
Okay.
So it's upstairs.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you.
I think that we need to end the call. Yes.
Hi.
So I hope to get a room in the next days.
Which one is mine?
Probably the bottom one.
Okay, thank you.然后这边有个柜子，有钩子，可以挂东西。那就来的时候看你抢到哪一个。好，下面也有。没住过背包客栈，所以还本来忘记买锁，所以如果要住的话，记得要买像这样的锁，然后或者是钥匙的、密码的都可以，就把它锁起来这样子。它外面在大楼的后面，所以有点脏，然后也是在大楼的房屋的上面，对吧？所以有点脏，看介不介意。这是我睡的地方，它里面它来的时候会给你这个是床单，自己可以铺，然后还有枕头，然后 check out 的时候要把这个 cover 和这个床单要拿去柜台还，然后里面就有电风扇，然后台灯的开关，然后插头这样子， 那我是自己带快充，就这样。然后帘子应该跟一般背包客栈差不多。它上面比较高，然后下面虽然比较低，但是你的底下有那个行李的空间，所以看你喜欢有放行李的地方，还是觉得睡觉不要那么有压迫感。然后柜台有浴巾跟毛巾，就看你自己要不要用。这是我自己带的。然后这边 check out bring down just a white sheet and pillowcase。然后11点 check out。它的 WiFi 还蛮快的。然后这边是有告诉你 ABCD 的位置，我是睡108D， 它贴在这里。那我们去看一下那个厕所，我蛮喜欢淋浴间的。厕所应该还算蛮干净的啦，偶尔地上会有卫生纸这样子，所以就打个叉。然后这是自动，还不错。干湿分离，就是它也有洗发露、润发露、洗脚，它这个大水。干湿分离的时候，可以在这边穿衣服。地方还要3块1个 quarter， 所以它不会找钱，对，所以它只收1块、2块还有 quarter， 然后烘衣服也是3块1个 quarter， 就这样。
Elle va rentrer dans la maison, c'est physiquement. Vous allez voir.
先下楼，然后这个是平常算是要工作就可以在这边。哦，这边是厨房，蛮多人在这边使用的。
What time ferry did you have to get there and back?
Well, I got
还有冰箱。有规定每个都要写自己的名字，然后用盒子装起来，这样就可以辨认自己的东西。Please store your food items in the tubs.
apparently it used to be one just here at the city that went straight to the city of Victoria. But they went under, I think, during COVID. I think that's what happened. And a little bit. So the way you get there now is you catch the Cannibalised train to Bridgeport. going to catch the bus, transport down to the port,
Yeah, that's what I thought.
and then you catch the ferry.
Okay, Olivier first ferry. Oh yeah, you've then got to travel in to
You
see
know,
stuff.
the bus from the port to the downtown.
外面就是有可以用餐的地方，还蛮悠闲的。
Yeah.
You can actually just catch the seaplane or whatever they call it from the city and take it half an hour.
Oh, okay.
But it's like $300.
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, see if I've got time. I'm going to Seattle on Tuesday.
Where's that? Sorry?
Seattle?
Oh, see, oh
Over in
yeah.
the US, so
Yeah,
I am.
yeah.
这个是喝水的地方 ，Water Station。对，就是按了一下这个按钮丢水。他们这边按钮很长都长这样，不知道为什么。酷。这边有卖可口水。一楼就是 check out 的 check in check out 的柜台。然后这边常常会有活动，然后所以就是要每天可以自己签名，这样它是礼拜5的活动，礼拜6的活动。星期6就是去 Stanley Park， 这边还蛮好玩的，就是蛮漂亮的，蛮推荐在这边骑脚踏车的，可以先骑个简单的。所以今天早上10点就会有这些人去，我觉得整体来说就看蛮方便的，因为它就在温哥华市区，然后你要去哪里都很方便。刚到的时候一定是观光客行程，你要去办一些 Service Canada 或者是温哥华经济办事处。也都在附近，再来这边有附早餐，看你接不接受早餐。下一部影片我就会介绍一下这边的早餐，也是都西式啦，所以看你吃不习不习惯。缺点呢蛮多的，因为就是这边市中心，然后旁边都是 pub， 所以其实晚上有时候你会听到这边嗡嗡嗡的声音，所以建议一定要戴耳塞。我自己是睡得蛮好的。价格的话，在 Airbnb 上面看到一天大概1800到1900，我那时候加税加完之后大概是一天1800啊，我是住10天，就强烈建议就是不要住到10天，因为我现在住到第7天我就有点腻了。好处是早餐啦，因为我自己蛮爱吃西式的早餐，它的咖啡也很好喝。然后再来就是看你运气遇到怎样的室友，就是看每个人的习惯不一样。就看你能不能接受遇到这样子，它原则上不会妨碍到互相啦。哦对，然后附近流浪汉还算蛮多的，他们都驻点，他们都有自己的位置，所以原则上就是跟在台湾一样，就是快速经过。路上有可能遇到一些精神有状况的，所以可能会有咆哮或什么的，也都是快速的经过就可以了。路上还会有大麻的味道，就看你想不想体验哦。我自己没住过背包客栈，所以我觉得蛮新鲜的。但我觉得住7天就好了，前2天让你办好手机跟 SIM number 银行的账户，后面那3、4天找到房子，直接应该说有。好，所以大概就是这样子。